Hola my friend, I'm Blanco. Today we're gonna talk about colors. Hoy vamos a hablar de colores. Please check the pronunciation videos if you haven't already. I will put a link for you at the end of this video. And now buckle up, cause it's gonna be interesting. Okay, let's see what we have in store for today. Colors. So where do we start? Maybe with basic colors. Colores básicos. So basic colors are blue, yellow and red. And in Spanish it will be azul, blue, amarillo, yellow, and rojo, red. Now let's go to secondary colors. Colores secundarios. We have green, orange, and purple. And in Spanish it will be verde, green, naranja, orange, y morado, purple. So these three colors we can obtain by mixing the basic colors, but let's not go too much into details because this is a Spanish lesson, not lesson about how to mix the colors. So besides these first 6 colors, we have of course black and white, and in Spanish you will say blanco y negro. So you will start with white, blanco, and then you will follow with black, which is negro in Spanish. So white, blanco, and black, negro. Now let's go to rest of the colors. I put on my list brown, pink and gray, and in Spanish it will be marrón, brown, rosa, pink, and gris, gray. I put also 2 shiny colors on my list, which is silver, plateado, and gold, dorado. Of course, we can create more colors by putting a tone on it. For example, we can create from blue, light blue, azul claro, and dark blue, azul oscuro. So claro means light and oscuro means dark. Now let's see what we learned so far. We have azul, amarillo, and rojo, which is blue, yellow, and red. Then we have verde, naranja, y morado, which is green, orange, and purple. Of course, we have blanco and negro, which is black and white. Then it's followed by marrón, rosa, and gris, which is brown, pink, and gray. Then we have plateado and dorado, which means silver and gold, and we have two tones of colors, claro and oscuro, which means light and dark. Our example was azul claro and azul oscuro, which means light blue and dark blue. With these two tones we can create a lot of different colors, like marrón claro, which means light brown, or marrón oscuro, which means dark brown, and many different colors. Of course, it won't be working with white and black, but besides that we can create a lot of different colors. Now let's practice a little bit. I prepared a simple exercise for you, and you can check what you learned so far. So we have a rainbow, a nice painting, and let's start name the colors from the top. So what do you think the first color is? Yeah, it's rojo. Rojo means red. Then it's followed by, that's right, naranja. Naranja means orange. And what do you think the third color is? Very good, it's amarillo. Amarillo is yellow. And we have another one, which is verde. Verde means green. Next two are the two tones of the same color. So the first one will be the light one, and it's azul claro. So obviously the next one will be azul oscuro. Very good. And the last one is, yeah, you have it right, it's rosa. Rosa is pink. Now, before end of this video, I prepared for you some expressions in Spanish with colors. So the first one you can hear is quedarse en blanco. If someone is using this expression, it means that he was speechless because of some reason. The next one is prensa amarilla. And if someone is referring to prensa amarilla, he's talking about a tabloid, some newspaper which publish sensationalist articles. So I have some more for you. For example, verlo todo color de rosa. If someone is using it, he's describing an optimist, someone which is very positive. And the next one is ponerse rojo como un tomate. It means that someone was ashamed. There's also one with the green color. In fact, there are a lot of expressions with green, but I put on my list for you estar verde. Estar verde means that someone is a rookie. He doesn't know a lot of some subject. And if someone, probably a girl, is referring to Príncipe Azul. She describes that someone, in her opinion, is man of her dreams. We also have Ponerse morado, and it means that someone ate too much. And this you will hear a lot. Un marrón. Un marrón means something unpleasant. You can probably hear it in the work environment, and it usually means some unpleasant work to do. We also have ponerse negro, and it means be mad. And the last one on my list, para gustos, colores. And it means that everyone has different taste. Okay, that's it for today. I think it was quite interesting. You learned some basic colors, how to create different tones of colors, and some expressions in Spanish that without knowing it, it would be difficult to guess the meaning. See you in the next one. I think that's enough for today. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video interesting, and there's more coming your way. See you soon.